Welcome to Dreamers Playground. As soon as you arrive inside, we have the games area on the left, and then of course this is my favorite part, the car gallery section. Both legends are here, the real car, the F40, and of course the replica 1:1 scale by BryksArt. You have to be here to experience it for yourself. It's very hard for me to describe to you the actual experience unless you're here. This is the garage toolbox. How cool is that? Then we have the MC12 Corsa here, the real car. Again, we have the Bryks car over there. That's the MC12, not the Corsa, but they're pretty much similar. One is a rest version, the other one is a road version. Here we have the blueprint, we have the vision, the business model behind this entire setup. Over here we have the 2.7 RS. Sadly, the real car cannot be here because we simply don't have enough space to park them side by side. And here is something that everybody knows. If you're from Malaysia, this is our own national car, Myvi. This particular car here is for the kids to play around with. They can add colors for the kids to have a bit of fun. Here is not complete yet. Eventually, once this is done, we will have all the small little miniature car to decorate the entire wall. Coming through these sections here, we have the JDM section, the Tofu car, AE86, and then of course the very famous Fairlady 260Z. Here we have the Lancia Stratos. This is a full rally version, the race car. And this car back then won a lot of championships. If you look at it, the car doesn't look very big, but this is the actual size. And then moving forward, we have Mini. Of course, Mr. Bean car is here as well. Every 10 minutes at this section, we have a light show that programmed together with the car and the music. This section here, you don't want to miss out the light show. Walking through these sections here, we have the history lessons, or the old classic car to the modern car. Will BryksArt sell this model? Too early to tell. Maybe, hopefully one day. This could be a merchandise or it could be toys for someone to collect. You never know. Here we have the Fiat 500, the pickup version, and the standard model. Now we're exiting the car gallery, we're heading into the Panda world. This part here is all about Panda. They have already completed more than 1,000 pandas. You notice they're all different characters. They're very cute, don't they? The objective is to aim for Guinness World Record, the most numbers of Bryks Panda. Oh, this is a big one. What's this little guy doing here? That's Turbo, isn't it? That's Turbo, yeah. Okay, now I'm going to take you guys to the games area. So it's very family oriented. There's something for the kids, mother, and of course for the dad. So the games area here, they will provide you some tokens, remote control, bulldozer here. In there, they're all full of toys. So if you can scoop up whatever toys, it's yours to take home. Massage chair, we have the drift competition, and then we have free ice cream, vending machine, more toys there for the kids to have fun. Last but not least, we have this section here, what we call a playable lab for the kids to stay creative. There are loose bricks everywhere. Whatever their imagination takes them, they can create whatever they want. Okay guys, that's the end of the tour. I hope you guys like what you saw on the video, but truly, like I said, you want to experience this, you need to be here yourself. For more information, you can check it out with Dreamers Playground. Okay, see you guys.